Say goodbye to diabetes forever without any medications. Unfortunately, diabetes is one of the most common health problems these days and is caused by the inability of the body to produce sufficient amount of insulin in order to maintain the balance of blood glucose levels. Therefore, diabetics have increased glucose levels in the blood since their pancreas cannot produce enough insulin. Still, the conventional medicine has not found an official diabetes cure, but there are many treatments which help the patient control the condition and thus lead a normal life. Insulin normalizes the blood sugar levels, but before you start this treatment, we advise that you try the following natural remedy. Also, if you are already using insulin, reduce the amount and thus stimulate the function of the pancreas. The following natural recipe will eliminate the excess fluid from the body and normalize the levels of sugar in the blood. Ingredients: 1 leek with roots, 2 fresh okras, 2 liters bottle of mineral water. Method of preparation. Initially, wash the leek well, together with its roots. Then, pour around 2 ounces of the bottle with mineral water, place the leek. Cut the ends of 2 fresh okras, and place them in the bottle with mineral water and leave it to stay thus for 24 hours. You should drink this remedy instead of water the following day, and when you finish it, you can prepare a new dosage. Another amazing video below. Squeeze 1 lemon or lime with 1 spoonful of olive oil and you will never stop using it. If you wake up exhausted, even after a long night of sleep, and you feel drained and without energy during the entire day, then you are in the right place. This remedy has been used for many years in the treatment of various health issues. Olive oil is a basic part of the Mediterranean diet, and it is high in essential fatty acids which regulate bad cholesterol and eliminate toxins from the body. The Romans and the Greeks valued its numerous medicinal properties and called it the liquid gold. Therefore, its incorporation in your diet can provide countless health benefits. Lemons are one of the healthiest fruits on the planet, high in antioxidants, vitamins, and essential nutrients, and provide amazing health benefits. Therefore, the combination of the two has been shown to provide impressive effects in the following cases. 1. Against rheumatic problems. The potent anti-inflammatory properties of this combo are extremely helpful in the case of rheumatic issues. Its regular consumption will relieve joint pain. 2. Against cardiovascular problems. Due to the high fatty acids content, which reactivates the circulation and regulates bad cholesterol, this mixture effectively prevents heart issues. 3. To balance out the bile of the liver and gallbladder. Experts claim that the consumption of the mixture in the morning, on an empty stomach, prevents the growth of gallstones. Moreover, the consumption of a glass of water, olive oil, and lemon juice an hour before the breakfast can detoxify the liver, kidneys, and the gallbladder. 4. To fight constipation. This combination will attain a lubricant for the digestive mucus, thus stimulate the function of the liver and gallbladder. This remedy acts as a potent antioxidant that removes toxins and cleanses the body, helps digestion, and eliminate waste. Due to its incredible health benefits, we recommend that you try this powerful combination as soon as possible, and you will never stop using it. Please subscribe to our channel and also share it with your friends. Do not forget to check out more videos, which will appear shortly.